AI is everywhere in everything we do. From helping you find the fastest route to recommending the best movie for you to watch. The question is, how does it work? Here are 5-step or building blocks of how AI works. 1. Data. Data is the fuel. AI doesn't wake up smart. It learns. And the way it learns is from data. Think of AI as a student in school. If the subject is animals, you need to show the student hundreds, maybe thousands, of pictures of cats, dogs, and birds. For text AI like ChatGPT, the data is billions of words, books, articles, websites, conversations. For image AI like Midjourney, the data is millions of pictures. The quality and amount of data matter. If you give the AI messy, biased, or incomplete data, it will learn those same mistakes. That's why data is often called the fuel of AI. Without good fuel, the engine won't run smoothly. 2. Algorithms. These are the rules. Now, data alone doesn't magically make AI smart. You need algorithms. An algorithm is simply a recipe, a step-by-step set of rules for solving a problem. For example, imagine an algorithm for sorting socks, group by color, then by size. For AI, an algorithm might look for patterns in numbers, like noticing that cats often have whiskers and pointy ears. Different algorithms can solve different problems. Decision trees for choosing options. Clustering algorithms for grouping similar things. And deep learning algorithms for recognizing complex patterns. Think of algorithms as the teachers that help the AI student make sense of all that data. 3. Neural networks. Here's where AI gets its superpowers, neural networks. They are inspired by the human brain. Just like our brain has billions of neurons connected together, AI builds digital versions of these neurons. They are used to process information step by step. A neural network has layers. The first layer might detect simple shapes in a picture. The second layer combines those shapes into objects, like ears or eyes. The final layer puts it all together and says, this is a cat. This layered approach is why neural networks are so powerful. They can learn complex features step by step, just like we do. Modern AI, like ChatGPT, uses a special kind called deep neural networks, with dozens or even hundreds of layers. That's why it can understand language, context, and even generate creative text. 4. Training. Training is like practice. Okay, so we've got data and algorithms inside a neural network. But how does AI actually learn? This is where training comes in. Here's how it works. The AI makes a guess. For example, it sees a photo and says, that's a dog. The answer key says, no, that's a cat. The AI adjusts itself slightly, so it's less wrong next time. Repeat this millions of times. Over time, the AI gets really good. It's just like a child learning to ride a bike, wobbling, falling, adjusting, and eventually mastering balance. Training AI takes a lot of computing power. We're talking supercomputers with thousands of processors crunching data for weeks or even months. That's why big companies like Google and OpenAI invest millions into training their models. I hope you now understand how AI works. Be sure to check out the next video for more on AI.